I left alone, my mind was blank. I needed time to think, to get the memories from my mind. What did I see? Can I believe that what I saw that night was real and not just fantasy? Just what I saw in my old dreams were the reflections of my Walkman staring.
Hi. We have a 2024 Z125 Pro, which has 3,237 miles. The people love the Z125 Pro because it has wide bars, it is lightweight, it also has inverted forks as well as disc brakes, and it is super fun to ride. But on a serious note, this is a really lightweight bike and is easy to handle. This is a carb 125cc single cylinder. This bike has no modifications to it, so let's head over to the sound test. Welcome to the sound test, ladies and gentlemen. Let's fire this sucker up and hear how it sounds. We're gonna give it a moment to pump the oil. Now let's test the sound. How did that sound, ladies and gentlemen? All of our bikes here at Spinwurkz are inspected and come with a 30-day powertrain warranty. We also have extended warranties all the way out to 7 years. Just asked about the details. We have some of the best financing I've seen in my whole career. And trust me, I've been doing this a while. Thank you everyone for watching. Ride safe and God bless.